And now, ladies and gentlemen, it's time for the most heart-throbbing hour. It's time for the award distribution. This award distribution will be distributed by Mr. Zarir Hussain, the Managing Editor, News Live, and Mr. Utpal Kanta, Economic Editor of Dainik Purvodaya. The award will be distributed by our chief guest and our guest of honor.
Once again, a very good evening. Now the big moment. Like in television, we depend on our viewers. We cater to their tastes. And for the industry captains here, they produce their products and the consumers are their masters. And interestingly, this award, the Northeast Consumer Award 2010, the first of its kind, it was based on a survey spanning over 8 states and 20 cities carried out jointly by Dainik Purvodaya and News Live. And the winners of this award were chosen mostly by the consumers and also by a very distinguished jury panel. And if I may first read out the nominees for most preferred band of LCD televisions. And the nominees are Sony, LG, and Samsung. And I would proudly like to announce the name of the winner chosen, let me tell you, by the consumers from 20 cities spread across the 8 northeastern states. Most preferred brand of LCD television. In fact, the winner has grabbed the largest market share in LCD TV market in Northeast. And may I call on stage Mr. Prashant Fukan, Branch Manager, Samsung Northeast. The winner is Samsung.
श्रद्धेयजनों, सर्वप्रथम आप सबों का मेरा हार्दिक अभिनंदन और ढेर सारी शुभकामनाएं। मोस्ट प्रिफर्ड ब्रांड ऑफ प्लाज्मा टेलीविजन पैनासोनिक। प्लीज वेलकम मिस्टर जाली कुट्रेस जाली फ्रॉम पैनासोनिक इंडिया।
Consumer durable segment, most preferred brand of refrigerators is LG. Thank you very much indeed, Mr. Adhikari.
नेक्स्ट अवार्ड है मोस्ट प्रिफर्ड ब्रांड ऑफ वॉशिंग मशीन्स। उसका नाम है अगेन सैमसंग।
Brand of washing machines. On to our next segment, that is home appliances. And the winner is Panasonic.
नेक्स्ट अवार्ड हमारा है टेलीकॉम सेक्टर से। इस अवार्ड के लिए मोस्ट प्रिफर्ड ब्रांड ऑफ सेलुलर सर्विस प्रोवाइडर्स व एयरटेल। प्लीज वेलकम मिस्टर जॉर्ज मैथन। नेक्स्ट अवार्ड है मोस्ट प्रिफर्ड ब्रांड ऑफ डीटीएच सर्विस प्रोवाइडर्स। एज द मोस्ट प्रिफर्ड ब्रांड ऑफ डीटीएच सर्विस प्रोवाइडर्स, टाटा स्काई।
Request CMD Netfee to do the honors, please.
The magic of 3D. Now on Spice View D, India's first 3D.
And on to the next category. That is jewelry. And the winner is L. Gopal.
नेक्स्ट कैटेगरी है रिटेल सेक्टर। बिग बाजार को अपना पसंदीदा शॉपिंग रिटेल सेंटर चुना है। नेक्स्ट अवार्ड भी रिटेल सेक्टर से ही है। यह अवार्ड है मोस्ट प्रेफर्ड ब्रांड ऑफ ज्वेलरी आउटलेट्स, मानिक चंद को चुना है।
The most preferred company of personal care products, and the award goes to Imami. Moving on to our next category of most preferred company of FMCG products, and the award goes to ITC.
नेक्स्ट अवार्ड है मोस्ट प्रेफर्ड ब्रांड ऑफ चॉकलेट्स, वह है नेस्ले का किट कैट।
इसीलिए मेरा किटकैट ब्रेक तो बनता है। चॉकोलेयर और वेफर हो गए एक।
Most preferred brand of confectioneries, and the award goes to Bisque Farm. And on to the next category, most preferred brand of health drinks, and the consumers have chosen Horlicks.
नेक्स्ट अवार्ड इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर सेक्टर से है और यह है मोस्ट प्रेफर्ड ब्रांड ऑफ सीमेंट्स, स्टार सीमेंट।
And on to our next segment, that is financial services. Most preferred brand of banks, the State Bank of India.
नेक्स्ट अवार्ड है मोस्ट प्रेफर्ड ब्रांड ऑफ लाइफ इंश्योरेंस, का नाम है LIC।
Moving on to our next segment, that is automobile. And obviously, the most preferred brand of cars, it's Maruti.
नेक्स्ट अवार्ड है मोस्ट प्रेफर्ड ब्रांड ऑफ बाइक्स, अवार्ड जाता है TVS मोटर्स को।
And on to still with automobile segment, most preferred brand of commercial vehicles. And the winner is Tata Motors.
Leader by far in commercial vehicles. Tata Motors is also the world's 5th largest medium and heavy commercial vehicle manufacturer.
हमारा अगला अवार्ड है मोस्ट एडमायरेबल कंपनी ऑफ द ईयर, अवार्ड जाता है ONGC को।
To the next category, brand of the year. And the brand of the year, the consumers and the jury have chosen Vodafone ahead of Oi, Nokia and Colgate. May I request Mr. Anand Sahai, Chief Operating Officer of Vodafone, to come on stage and receive the award, please. And moving on to the next category, the Corporate Citizen of the Year Award. Corporate Citizen of the Year.
मिस्टर शंकर सेन अधिकारी को कॉर्पोरेट सिटीजन ऑफ द ईयर अवार्ड के लिए चुना है।
Moving on to the next category, that is the Corporate Leader of the Award, of the Year Award. Corporate Leader of the Year, and the winner is Dibbajyoti Khaun, Business Head Aircel, Corporate Leader of the Year Award.
अगला अवार्ड कॉर्पोरेट सेक्टर में युवा प्रतिभाओं के लिए कॉर्पोरेट यंग प्रोफेशनल ऑफ द ईयर। जिस यंग प्रोफेशनल में बेहतर प्रतिभा पाई है उनका नाम है मिस्टर वेदावर्ते बर्दलाई फ्रॉम हुंडई मोटर्स।
And coming to the final award, but no mean an award that. This is a Lifetime Achievement Award. And there are two winners. First of all, let me take the name of a person whom people in maybe most walks of life, from politics to student organizations to culture, knows him by name. Very popular figure. He was in Assam, and then now he is somewhere else in the north. He is Sudipta Chaudhary. First Northeast Consumer Awards 2010. His long association with the people of Assam and the Northeast. The second Lifetime Achievement Award.
सेकेंड लाइफ टाइम अचीवमेंट अवार्ड जाता है मिस्टर एस एन साहू को। प्लीज वेलकम मिस्टर एस एन साहू, चेयरमैन असम ग्रामीण विकास बैंक।